Welcome to Jive Training. I'm going to show you how to modify your ringtone on a Polycom VVX 400. As needed, you can choose a new ringtone for each of your lines. Press the Home key. You can press up or down on the navigation controls to scroll through the list. Navigate to the options for Settings, Basic, and then Ring Type. Highlight the various ringtones and press the Play Soft key to sample each of them. Choose the desired ringtone. Press the Select Soft key when you're done. Please note, this device supports silent ringtones. If you have additional questions, please read our online documentation or contact our support team, who would be glad to assist you.